Before you start poultry farming, there is one question you must answer. Broilers or layers? Choose wrong, and you could lose money before you even begin. But choose right, and you could build a profitable poultry business faster than you expect. In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible so you can decide what is best for you. Welcome to Farm and Feed Academy, where we teach simple, practical livestock farming for beginners. Question 1. What are broilers? Let's start with broilers. Broilers are chickens raised for meat production. They grow very fast, and within 6 to 8 weeks, they are ready for sale. That means you can start making money in a short time. But here's the catch. They eat a lot, and feed is expensive. So if not managed properly, your profit can disappear quickly. Question 2. What are layers? Now let's talk about layers. Layers are chickens raised for egg production. Unlike broilers, they take time to mature, usually around 18 to 20 weeks before they start laying eggs. But once they begin, they can produce eggs almost every day. This means steady, long-term income. Section 3. Cost comparison. Now let's compare the cost. Broilers require high feeding cost, short-term investment, quick turnover. Layers require longer feeding period, higher initial patience, but steady returns over time. So broilers are like a sprint, while layers are like a marathon. Section 4. Profit comparison. If you want quick cash, broilers are better. But if you want consistent income, layers are the better choice, because eggs sell every day, and daily income builds stability. Section 5. Best option for beginners. So what should you choose as a beginner? If you have limited capital and want quick returns, start with broilers. But if you have patience and want long-term income, go for layers. And if possible, start small, learn fast, and scale gradually. Poultry farming is not about choosing what is popular. It is about choosing what works for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Farm and Feed Academy because I'll be guiding you step by step on your farming journey. And in the next video, I'll show you how to reduce feed costs without affecting growth rate, something most farmers struggle with. If you're serious about smarter animal production, make sure you don't miss it. This is Farm and Feed Academy, animal production made easy.